Welcome to the MyHeritage at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. MyHeritage is a popular at-home DNA testing service designed for those eager to uncover their ethnic origins, connect with relatives, and build detailed family trees. Known for its affordability and focus on global heritage, it's especially suited for individuals with diverse backgrounds or an interest in tracing roots outside North America. The MyHeritage DNA Kit includes all the essentials for collecting a cheek swab sample, which is quick, painless, and easy to return. Once your sample is processed, typically within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll gain access to an ethnicity estimate that identifies your origins across 42 regions. While not as extensive as some competitors, the regions MyHeritage covers are particularly strong for European and Middle Eastern ancestry, making it ideal for those with ties to these areas. One of the standout features of MyHeritage is its robust DNA matches functionality. It connects you with genetic relatives, ranging from close family to distant cousins. The platform makes communication simple and is especially valuable for individuals looking to build or expand their family tree. Combined with MyHeritage's extensive database of historical records, available via a separate subscription, users can delve deeper into their lineage with tools to cross-reference DNA data and genealogical documents. Another key advantage is MyHeritage's user-friendly interface and its multilingual support, catering to a global audience. The platform is intuitive, making it accessible even for those new to DNA testing or genealogy research. Additionally, MyHeritage provides an optional health report upgrade, offering insights into genetic predispositions and carrier status for certain conditions, which is a bonus for users seeking health-related insights alongside ancestry data. In summary, the MyHeritage DNA Test Kit is an excellent choice for individuals seeking an affordable, user-friendly solution to explore their heritage and connect with relatives worldwide. Its strengths lie in its global reach, family connection tools, and optional health insights, making it a versatile and worthwhile investment for uncovering your personal story.